This video teaches you how to consolidate data in Excel. Ensure the data in each spreadsheet is listed in a consistent format. If you are consolidating data from different files, open a new spreadsheet. If from the same file, create a new sheet within the file. Click the cell where consolidated rows or columns to start. Click Data. Click the Consolidate icon. Select a function. Select a reference source. Click the arrow icon to consolidate sheets within the same. To consolidate data from a separate file, click Browse and then select a file and click Open. Highlight the data you want to consolidate. Click Add. Repeat for all sheets and files you want to consolidate. Select the row or column for the labels. By checking Create Links to Sources, the consolidated data will be updated automatically if one of the source references is updated. Click OK.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.